welcome back to my channel. Very excited that you're back. I have some amazing news to share with you guys. For those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't have no idea what I'm even talking about, but let me just go ahead and tell you, I was able to create a collection with E.L.F. Cosmetics. Yes, me and my team, a group of girls that I met in New Orleans, where I got flown to go with E.L.F. on this amazing journey. It was so much fun, and what ended up happening, long story short, is they ended up grouping us with a team, and there was kind of like a project involved where we had to get inspiration from New Orleans and think of a theme, a collection that we would probably want to put out there with whatever, you know, creative ideas we got. And my team and I ended up winning, and we got the chance to create a collection with them. Like, yeah, we did. Besides going to New Orleans and winning, we were able to go to the headquarters, you know, get the products going, making sure that we really like the packaging, the texture, the formula, the color selection. That was super important for us for the products. Like if we wanted matte, if we wanted gloss, if we wanted shimmer, that was something that was super amazing for us to even do. But yeah, I really just wanted to kind of like let you guys know what's going on with that. It's launching today. Yes, and I'm wearing the collection on myself. So I really want to do a tutorial for you guys to kind of just show you how I've been using the palette and how I would be using it for fall. But of course, let me just go ahead and show it to you guys. Let me start off by telling you guys the name of the collection, which is Modern Metals. That was kind of a theme that we came up together because we saw so many beautiful different types of textured metals around New Orleans. So I just wanted to give you a little background on that. But this is how the packaging looks. We have a full palette right here. Let me, hopefully the glare doesn't. This is how the packaging looks like. And this is the blush palette right here. And we created a gloss and a matte shade. So I just wanted to kind of show you how the packaging looks like overall. This is how the palette looks like, and this is the palette that I actually use, so excuse the mess. But I'm going to be showing some swatches on direct sunlight because I am using, you know, studio lights. That's very different on how it actually looks like outside and under light, like direct light. So I'm going to shoot a clip right here. But this is how the palette itself looks like. It's this really pretty gold. We ended up going with 5 mattes and 5 shimmers. And one of my favorite colors is the green, which is why I'm wearing it. It's one of my faves. And that's one of the shades that I was like, I need a green shade in my freaking palette. Super, super pretty. I'll swatch some right here live so that you can see. But I actually prefer, I don't know about you guys, swatches under direct sunlight, because then you can actually see how the product looks outside, you know, like who is actually under studio lights like this? Nobody but me. But the next thing that I wanted to show you guys is the actual blush palette, which is right here. I'll be showing a clip of it as well. But this is how it looks like. Like I said, this is the one that I actually used for the tutorial. But beautiful shade. So we have blushes right here, and then we have highlighters at the bottom. And this right here is my favorite blush, gorgeous mauve blush, and this is how the palette looks like from the front. We also wanted a matte lip and a gloss, just in case for whoever is a matte person and for whoever is a gloss person. So this one actually is perfect for fall. I'll swatch it also under direct sunlight because honestly that's just how I like my stuff, but I'll show it to you guys here too. I feel like studio lights are just different for some reason, but this is the shade. On my lips, I'm actually just using the gloss today because I feel like the color on my eyes was pretty intense, so I think that it wouldn't make sense to be putting a very dark lip. But those are the products, as you can see right here. Super, super pretty. And it's available now at elfcosmetics.com. You're also going to be seeing it at Ulta Beauty. It's not out yet, but you will be seeing it there soon too. And if you're local in the LA area, they're already selling the collection at the Glendale Galleria. I'll show in a clip of how beautiful it is. I got to see it for myself. I got to see the launch day at the Glendale Galleria, so it was super exciting to see people buying it, like something that we created. It was so exciting to actually see people grabbing it, getting it applied, and it was just a very fun experience. I'm very excited for you guys to actually play with this. I love that it's extremely affordable. I really like how the pigments in the palettes actually work, and I really like the fact that we did a gloss and a matte to justify in case you're a matte person or a gloss person. Let me know what you guys think. I'm actually just gonna go straight into showing you the tutorial because I really just want to kind of show you the magic instead of talking about it, you know. So let me start the look. I'm going to be applying this shade right here, and then this shade right here, and then I'm gonna focus on the green. So just so that you get the hang of it. So first I'm gonna be using this really light brown on the crease, and I'm just gonna be dabbing it on the lid, guys. So just on the crease. This is honestly what I've been rocking all the time, I'm not even gonna lie. It's one of my favorite shades. Everybody needs a transition shade, and this is beautiful. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other one. As like, I'm not really doing this like so perfect. This is actually what I do. I'm not really focusing on like anything too hard, you know what I mean? Nothing too perfect. I feel like, especially on this look that I'm doing, I kind of like it a little bit messy but blended. Can you guys see it? Yeah, right? Hope you guys can. Hope I'm not blocking you. That is my transition shade, guys, and I use this every single day. At least if I'm not going to be using the green shade, whatever color that I use in the palette, I actually use this one as the transition shade. So what I like is that there's two colors, and I use both regardless for a transition. I'm trying to show you guys how I actually do my makeup with this palette. It doesn't have to be too perfect, guys. Like, don't worry about it because I'm going to be putting the green. So now I'm actually going to be using the darker one right here, the one on top of the light brown. And this one I'm actually going to be using it and like being a little bit more careful, I guess. The reason that I wasn't that careful with the first one is because it's kind of very close to my skin color. So if it's like very not as blended, I guess, it's not as noticeable. Like, I'm just gonna be honest, like that's kind of how I think of stuff. If you are much lighter though, I would suggest like being careful with it, but I don't know. With me, browns, I'm not as careful. I don't know if any of you brown girls out there feel the same way. I'm kind of just like, well, it'll blend somehow. I'm just gonna be focusing on this area right here. I am being a little bit more careful with this color because it's darker and I don't want to mess up the rest of my makeup. Same thing on the other one. Focus it. I kind of wing it. So pretty, right? Afterwards, I just get a brush and I kind of just like sweep it through a little bit. Just so that it blends a little bit better. And if anything, I'll make final touches towards the end. This is the shade that I'm going to be using, this beautiful green. I love it so much. I'm going to be using my finger to apply it because I find it a lot easier. Just tap, just in case. I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to shimmers, I prefer to apply it with my finger. It's just a lot easier and it picks up better and it applies better. And I think we're good on that. And then we're gonna go back to this one just to add dimension. I'm gonna focus a little bit more on the crease. I don't know about you guys, but I love my eyes looking rounder. I have very almond eyes. I'm also going to be highlighting the brow bone, and we have two really pretty colors right here. I think I'm going to go with the lighter one maybe. I applied a little bit of setting spray, guys, because I don't know about you guys, but I like my brow bone popping. You know what, maybe I'm going to do that to the green too, now that I did this. So let's show you the power of these pigments. Look how shiny it is. Gorgeous. I just did it a little bit, guys. Nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to be applying the E.L.F. liner in Jet Black. So this one I'm going to concentrate a little bit more, guys. So sorry if you can't see. jacked up. And I'm gonna be applying some lashes. This is like my basic Leslie tried but didn't try for fall. Like, I'm going out, but I could have tried harder, but I didn't. So now that that's done, I'm gonna be adding some shadow on the bottom lash line. I don't know if you guys know, but I do that like all the time. I feel weird without it. I feel like my eyes need it for some reason. I don't know if you guys are like that. Let's keep it at green. Just a little bit. Oh, I love green. I'm gonna add the little white guys on the inner corner. So I'm gonna blend up. And now I'm just gonna be adding a lot of mascara on my bottom lashes because I love that. I love adding mascara on my bottom lashes. Without it, I feel weird actually. So we're completely done with the eye look. I just added a bit of mascara on my bottom lashes, or a lot. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to be applying my cheeks, my highlight, all that goodness. And this is my favorite shade from the blushes for myself, and it's the one in the middle. And literally, I like to put it like right here. Why? I don't know. Isn't it so pretty, guys? It's like the perfect blush for me. I love it. And then the rest, I kind of just swoop it. Now I'm going to be highlighting with this one right here. Just a bit, not too much. Okay. Now I'm done with the cheeks, the highlights. And I'm going to be adding my lip. I'm just lining up my lips now. So I'll apply the gloss. I want to use the gloss for this look. I just don't want it to look too much, so I'm going to be adding the gloss. So this is the result. What do you guys think? I love this look. You guys have no idea how much I rock this look because I feel like it really goes with my skin tone. So I hope you guys like it. But this is the end result. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's such a gorgeous look. I love the products. I love the packaging. It's so gorgeous and pretty. And it's very travel friendly also. And I just like that it's pigmented and it's great for the price also. Let me know if you guys are going to be purchasing it. I would love to know. Definitely use the hashtag because I kind of want to scroll and see if you guys recreated this look or recreated any look with the products in general. Let me know what product it was your favorite because I have my faves, but to me it's more like I have favorite shades within the collection. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like the look. Let me know if you like these talk through tutorials better or voiceover. I would really appreciate your opinion. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't. Bye guys!